In today's video, I'm going to show you how to book flight tickets using Agoda. Whether you travel often or you're booking your very first flight, this simple guide will help you complete the process with confidence and ease. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing Agoda into the search bar, or open the Agoda app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly create a new account by following the on-screen steps. Logging in helps save your booking details and makes future reservations faster. Now, look for the flight section on the Agoda website or app. Click on it, then enter your departure city, destination, and travel dates. Agoda will now show you a list of available flights. Take your time to compare options based on price, timing, and airline, and then select the one that best suits your plans. When you're ready, click Book to continue. Next, you'll be taken to the checkout page. Here, review your flight details carefully, including travel dates, departure and arrival times, passenger information, and ticket type. Make sure everything is correct before you move forward. Once that's done, it's time to choose your payment method. Agoda supports multiple options such as credit cards, debit cards, digital wallets like PayPal or Google Pay, and in some regions, additional local payment methods. Select the option that works best for you and enter your payment details securely. After submitting your payment, Agoda will confirm your booking and send your e-ticket to your registered email. Be sure to keep this handy as you'll need it when you travel. And that's it, you've successfully booked your flight ticket using Agoda. It's quick, convenient, and perfect for planning your next adventure. Thanks for watching and safe travels.